Guys, how are we able to breathe in outer space if there's these open windows?
I wonder what outer space tastes like. Yeah. It's covered by plastic wrap, Ruby.
Oh, that's a relief.
Man, I really want to know what space tastes like, though.
Whoa! It's so cool we get to be in space again! It's just as tranquil as I remember it!
Meaning not very tranquil.
Why would you say that, Lolly?
The last time you were in space, you got obliterated by a laser.
Not true!
We're not getting him, Leafy. Time for super speed mode. But don't you know how much energy that wastes? You have to be more eco-friendly.
Okay. Maybe I did get obliterated by a laser, but getting obliterated by a laser isn't that bad!
Really?
Yeah, actually it's pretty comfortable. Let me show you. See? Didn't that feel nice?
I got it. Tastes otherworldly.
Gelatin, you'd better keep your tongue in there.
What did you say?
Laging may banta ng sipon, kaya bigyan siya ng pambatang Newzep. Tumutulong ibigay ang yakap ng kumpletong ginhawa.
There's no air!
I'm not gonna last much longer!
Leafy, don't want more air!
Right!
More air is an app that brings you more experiences, especially when you are dying.
You've been hacked.
No!
You have Constantine lost last time, so whichever one of you got the fewest votes will PRP. In this first ever takeout steak over video call, I'll give contestants air to breathe when they're declared safe. Bubble is safe. So is Teardrop. And Leafy. And Lollipop.
Well, how was the experience? Wasn't it cozy?
If you call excruciating pain cozy,
It's an Alliance member's duty to give other members air.
care to give me some air? No straw needed.
Lily!
Gelatin, Ruby, one of you will be eliminated. How's it gonna be? The results are... Looks like Ruby is back to being a hidden gem.
Woo! Please, 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 can I stay in the game, please, please?
No.
But it was only by 96 votes!
With Ruby gone, we're down to the final 11. Where is everyone?
In space! And some people died!
No. Welcome back then. X, are you okay? Well, that wasn't a no, so I guess we can ignore it. No! X, what do you propose we do?
Just help me get colder, please!
Okay, for today's challenge, you'll have to make the sun colder.
The half-cots are in space. They have a huge advantage.
I'm sorry, did I ask you?
What if I said yes?
I would ignore you.
Yes. Well, I have to commend you for you are anything but a liar.
Taco's right. We do have the upper hand. Tell me why we can't just dump this bucket out the window and win the challenge. I mean, we are already here. A dazzling getaway destination, if you ask me.
Guys, we can make sun angels now!
Gelatin, don't you know? If you make a sun angel, it'll burn into the sun and project onto Earth. Gelatin? Gelatin?
Why did you think that information would slow me down?
Anyone volunteer to pour the ice? I don't want to pop out there. Chin up, Bubble. The sun's just a star.
Leafy, haven't you taken sun lessons before? Everyone knows that...
I don't know anything about what you're going to say.
As I was saying, everyone knows that...
I don't know either.
Everyone knows that once ice touches the sun, we will destroy the outermost layer and sink right through! Oh!
Guys, I think Teardrop said they wanted to pour the ice. Just tell us if you don't want to be the one to pour the ice. Otherwise, you can be the one to do it. Okay, I guess Teardrop is doing it. Let's get out of here.
No way, guys. We started this as a team. Let's end together as a team, too.
Oh! Literally nothing happened. They did nothing.
Oh!
Have-nots, did you like your journey up to space?
Wait for ask me if I have landed on the sun.
Have you landed on the sun?
Have not.
That's a lesson for you.
The ice did nothing. My garden is ruined and I'm burning.
Probably because we burn up in the sun.
Wait, what's happening? This particular spot is actually pretty cool. 1 point for half cots.
There are points now? If X says there are points, there are points. Every time someone helps cool him down, their team wins a point. And if you hurt X, let's just say something bad happens.
Does that mean we just lose points?
Yeah.
Don't worry, guys. Let's just reflect the heat back with this mirror.
That made the sun even hotter! X is dying!
Looks like my mission is done.
-1 point for the have-nots.
Wait, guys, I have an idea. The sun only shines during the day. We gotta find a way to make it nighttime.
That doesn't make the sun colder, though.
Hey, I think we'll get the points if we just make X colder.
If we all run really fast in place, the Earth will rotate super fast and we'll dodge the sun.
It's worth a shot. Okay, everyone run on the spot in 3, 2, 1! Run as fast as you can!
Whoa, that worked?
Phew, thanks, have-nots. I was in serious pain there. You earned 13 points.
13?
Guys?
Not now, Leafy. We're doing nothing.
I can't see X anymore. The sun's no longer warming him up.
The Earth must have rotated by too many people running quickly in place. We learned that in Earth class.
Enough about these classes. Wait, will that help them win the challenge if X isn't hot from the sun?
We need to get the sun back to burning X, so their plan doesn't work.
Quick, everyone, run to the leftmost part of the sun and jump! We can reposition the sun in the sky! Joimp! Joimp!
It's working! It's working!
You know, whilst this nighttime breeze sure is nice, I could use some light again, just so tending to the garden is easier. Oh wow! Thanks, have-cots! 21 points for you!
21? We only got 13 last time.
-3 points to
Why could an X have just stayed away? They're being very annoying today.
Teardrop, you're water. If you sat on the sun, wouldn't you, cool it down? Bubbles don't have brains, but even I think this is a ridiculous plan. Don't you feel the breeze, Bubble? I feel like I could just fly away. Well, why don't you? It's just a feeling, Bubble.
For what it's worth, I think this is working. I'm not dripping onto the floor anymore.
Is that what this purple goop on the surface is?
Yes, it is. Please don't make a big deal about this.
Ah! The sun is 2 degrees colder again. This is nice. Plus 90 points for the half-cuts. Now back to watering my plants. It sure would be nicer if it was 1 degree warmer, though.
They just got 90 points. They have a huge lead on us. Let's try and get the sun 1 degree warmer. Fiery, wait, where is Fiery?
I think he's still on the sun. He never burned up.
The sun? But that's 2.6 thousand miles away!
Oh, Blocky, darling, it is way further than that.
Hey, Fiery! Are you out there? Yeah, what's up? You guys need something? Not really! Just saying hi!
What? No, we need to tell him. Let me talk to him. Fiery! You need to sink yourself into the sun somehow! Make the sun hotter for X again!
On it! Well, how do I get inside the sun? This is exhausting. Almost too much work for one day. Oh, I know. Hey, half-cots. Or should I say, crybabies?
What? How could you say that to us?
You know, we have feelings too, right?
I say we smack him right into the sun.
Too true, Lollipop.
Yay! It's 800 degrees hotter. Minus 800. No, 8,000 points for the half-cuts.
Oh my goodness, please water me, X! I'm burning up too!
Okay, we got the other team to lose points, but now it's boiling hot. Blocky, do something!
You got it. Now allow me to make fun of the sun. Hey, sun! You're, pretty lame.
You cooled it down way too much. Minus 7,000 points for the half-nuts.
Okay, 4, this is ridiculous. We're gaining and losing points for no reason.
Here, buddy. I've been keeping this just for you. 6 points for being a fly guy.
Yeah, okay. Guys, there are no rules.
Whatever. Let's just try doing anything we can think of then.
I put racing stripes on every side of this ice cube. Now it's back to normal.
Still scorching hot. Minus 7,000 points.
We put a bunch of clouds together in the sky.
Not enough sunlight anymore. Now you've done it. Minus 8,546 points.
If we all spit from the sun, it'll rain down onto Earth, cooling it and giving the plants a drink.
Well, that's disgusting. Minus 6,000 points for being gross.
I put a block around all of the Earth, and now we're all inside and...
How is this better at all? Minus 8,422 points.
What if we...
Minus.
How about...
Minus.
Minus.
Minus. Rockets.
Minus.
Minus.
Minus. Minus.
Oh wow, we're back.
That's because time's up.
Yeah! Great job, everyone.
Yay!
The half-costs have minus 90 million points. And the have-nots have minus 95 million points.
So, what you're saying is, we all did awesome?
The have-nots have minus 100 million points.
And I'm still on fire.
It's a long shot, but what if we just poured an ice bucket on X?
Yay! I feel great. You win.
What? That's all it took?
Congratulations, have-nots, for saving X from burning. Because the have-nots didn't do that, because they have less points. They're up for elimination.
Everybody, this is the part where you vote which of these guys should stay. Left square bracket, letter, right square bracket. Post that comment, and whoever gets the least votes is out of the game. Don't forget to subscribe because no one knows who it's going to be. I mean, last time, it was super close, and we were like checking to the very end. You could be the one to cast the deciding vote, which is why I'm awarding you Most Important Voter. Now use your powers for good. Vote for the right person. Subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to check us out on Instagram and our new TikTok, where I've been posting every day. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in BFB 21.